Hello, this is a screencast that will be made to show the steps on how to create a Google drawing of the investigations math workbook pages that we use here in Colonial. I was at a meeting and was showing a colleague how I do this, and she asked me to prepare this screencast. So this is what I'm going to do. So just to give you a look of what it could look like from a student's perspective, the assignment looks like this. So the students still have to show their work in their math journals. And the rationale is we understand that students do still need to show their work, but a composition book costs pennies in comparison to the expensive math workbook pages. So they still have to have it checked by the teacher, and once they have teacher approval, they can type in their answers. We use the math practices rubric in order to grade them, and the students simply click on the link and they are forced to make a copy. And once they get here, using their math workbook page in their math journal, they insert text boxes where their answers will go. And they are able to show their work and then submit via Schoology, and it makes my life a lot easier. And you can see that I've had some students turn in assignments using this method. It only took about 1 or 2 times before the students got comfortable enough adding in text boxes. So there is a little bit of a learning curve, but nothing too bad that they can't handle. And these are 8-year-olds, so it can be done. So how do you do this? Well, initially you need to get to the group for curriculum instruction math and get to the student activity pages. And if you use Tom Gavin's nifty less clicks save, you'll be able to see how to save yourself the headache of doing so many clicks. But for the sake of this screencast, I wanted to go through all the steps. So find an activity page. I'll use a different grade level so you can see what it could look like. So we'll use grade 4, unit 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this to open it up. And what I'm actually going to do is go up to the 3 dots. And I'm going to zoom out until I can see the full page. So here's the full page now. And I can see this really well. And now I'm going to use the extension Nimbus, which everyone in our district should have. And I'm going to do capture the selected area. And when you get this kind of bullseye crosshash, I don't know what they're called. And you click and drag and you capture the page. And there's this check mark and you hit check mark. And now you're going to save it on your desktop or hard drive, wherever it is. So unit 1 ARCS grade 4. And you're going to save this. So now it's saved. And remember to go back to your default zoom. And now you're going to go to your Google Drive. In Google Drive, you're going to open up a Google drawing. Once this is done loading up, always start with the title, obviously, Unit 1, grade 4. So now you have this blank page. A nifty little tool is if you need to extend the page, you can using this. Sometimes it kind of warps the picture, so just a FYI, it could be a better thing or a worse thing. And then you're going to insert an image. You're going to choose the image to upload, and it's going to be the one that you just did. So let me find it. QR. Da, da, da. Unit 1, grade 4. You can see right now, this looks really weird. So you really do need to extend it using the page to make it easier to read for your students. Seems a bit blurry. Not sure why that is, but now they have a digital copy of this, and you'll be able to share it out, create a link, add it into the assignment, and then your students can submit the math workbook page digitally. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I hope this helps some of you all out.